morning students. Today class exercise number 9.8, question number 8. Father of a family wishes to divide his square field bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 as well as y equal to 4, y equal to 0 along the curve y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y into 3 equal parts for his wife, daughter and son. Wife, daughter and son. Is it possible to be divided? If so, able to possible to advance, find the cow to be divided among them. If the father divided the square field in the 3 equal part, able to divide or not. So go through the question whether able to divide or not. Say, what is the solution? Equation the curve. What are the two curves given? A y square equal to 4x is the one of the curve. X square equal to 4y is the another curve. Given two curve. Y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y. What are the bounded area? X is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. Similarly, y equal to 4, y equal to 0. The area bounded area is also given. See the diagram. X is equal to x square equal to 4y. Y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x is nothing but what is the curve? Y square equal to 4x. Rightward curve. Y square equal to 4x. What is the region? This is a square field. Therefore, square field means what? 0, 0, 4, 0, 4, 4, 0, 4. This is the square field. So, 0, 0. This is the origin. See the diagram. 0, 0. Here what? 4, 0, 4, 4. What? This is what? 0, 4. So, this is first we will draw the rightward curve. Y square equal to what? Y square equal to 4x. Another one is what? X square equal to 4y. Y square equal to 4x first curve. X square equal to 4y. X square equal to 4y is nothing but what? Upward curve. Y square equal to 4y is what? Rightward curve. So this is the diagram. This is what part? This is the bounded area. First spell is what? A1, A2, A3. Identify the curve into able to divide two equal part or not. We are going to find the area of wife, area of daughter, area of son. If you getting the three answer become equal means the square field is able to divide it into 3 equal part. See the diagram. What is the rightward curve? X square equal to 4. This is upward curve. X square equal to 4y. Rightward curve is what? Y square equal to 4x. So this is the square field 0, 0, 4, 0, 4, 4, 0, 4. Region is what? Wife region, daughter region, son region. We getting the 3 equal area means able to divide it into 3 equal part. The diagram, go through the diagram. See, first we are going to find the area A1. Here A1 we are going to find the first area. A1 equal to what? What is the area? Y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x means that is nothing but x is equal to y square by 4. Y square by 4. Y square equal to 4x. Say, what is our x? X is nothing but what? Y square by 4. Now, x is equal to y square by 4 first equation. What are the two curves? X square equal to 4y, y square equal to 4x. So, we rewrite as y equal to x square by 4, x is equal to y square by 4. We are going to substitute x square equal to what are the two curves? X square equal to 4y. Another curve is what? Y square equal to 4x. We rewrite as y equal to x square by 4. Here also rewrite as x is equal to y square by 4. Y equal to x square by 4. Here x is equal to y square by 4. This is first equation, second equation. Substitute. The first equation become, what is that one? X square equal to 4y. Instead of x we substitute what? What is our x? X is equal to nothing but what? Y square by 4. Instead of x, substitute the second equation. So for x value, replace x by y square by 4. Replace x value y square by 4. See this here. So y square the whole square by 4 square equal to 4. I make the equation in terms of y. All the terms in terms of y. also x in terms of y, nothing but x in terms of y. X is equal to y square by 4. You substitute replace x by y means with getting the y terms. So y power 4 by 4 square is nothing but what, 16 equal to 4y. Now y power 4 equal to 16 into 4 is what, 64y. 16 into 4, see, 16 into 4 is 64y. Now y power 4 minus 64y equal to 0, or you take common for y cube minus 64 equal to 0, that is y equal to 0. Y cube equal to 64 means y value is nothing but what, 4. Now this implies second equation gives y equal to 0. So what is the second equation here? Y equal to 0 means x also 0. Y equal to 4. Y equal to 4 means x is equal to what? 4 4s are 16. So what is this one? X is equal to 4. So we substitute y equal to 0, y equal to 4. Therefore, getting the y value, substitute in the equation 1. So x is equal to 0 means y equal to 0. Suppose, y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means x also 0. Y equal to 4. Y equal to 4 means what is our y? Y equal to 4 means 4 4s are 16. So 4x is equal to 16 means x is equal to nothing but what? 4. So x is equal to 0. Say here y equal to 4 gives what? Y 4 square equal to 4x. That is we cancel 4 x is equal to 4. What are the point of intersection? The parabola, the two are curve. The two parabola intersect the point. Point of intersection is what? 0, 0, 4, 4. Because x is 0 means y also 0. X 4 means y value also 4. Therefore, the point of intersection is 0, 0 and 4, 4. Therefore, area of the square is nothing but what? 4 into 4, 16 square. We know that this is the area divided into 0, bounded region depends upon the bounded region. Area of the square is 4 4s are 16 square unit. Therefore, area for the y. First one is what? Area for the y. The region is what? 0 to 4 x into dy. Area of the region 0 to 4 x into dy. Now 0 to 4, instead of x, what you are substituting? What is our x? X is equal to nothing but what? Y square by 4. Therefore, instead of x, you substitute what? Y square by 4 into dy. We take 1 by 4 is outside. This is integral of 0 to 4 y square dy. If you integrate 1 by 4 into y cube by 3, upper limit minus lower limit. Now 1 by 4, 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 3 minus 0. So 1 4 is 4 cancelled. This is nothing but what? 16 by 3 square unit. Therefore, area of the wife region. Area of the wife is what? So given the wife region is what? 16 by 3 square unit. Similarly, we are going to find the area of the daughter region as well as area of the son region. Next A3, area of sun, A3, A2 is area of daughter. After find out area of sons. Area of sun also what? 0 to 4 y into dx. 0 to 4 instead of y the same x square by 4 into dx. The same result we are coming. The x instead of y substitute x square by 4 x cube by 4. So upper limit is what? 4. Lower limit is what? 0. Now 1 by 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 cancelled. 4 4s are 16 by 3 square unit. The wife region is also getting 16 by 3. Sun region is also getting what? Area of the sun is also getting what? 16 by 3 square unit. Next area of the daughter. Area of the daughter is easily find out. What is the total area? Total area is 16 square unit because the region is what? 4 into 4. 4 16 square units. So total area minus A1 plus A3. What is our A1? A1 is 16 by 3. A3 also 16 by 3. Now 16 minus 32 by 3. 16 3s are what? 48. 48 minus 32, that is nothing but what? 16 by 3 square unit. Therefore, yes, it is possible to divide 3 parts. The 3 parts of the region is what? 16 by 3 square unit. So we are able to divide in the equal part, equal divided into 3 equal parts. That is the region is 16 by 3 square unit. Therefore, A1 wife, A2 daughter, A3 son. Divide equally 16 by 3 square units. So sum is go through the question 1 or 2 times. Read the question 1 or 2 times. After the calculation part is very easy for you. Graph, go through the graph method properly. Afterwards start to do the sum. Next, see the question number 9. The curve y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 has a minimum point at the point P. The curve y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 has a minimum point at a point P. A point Q on the curve is such that the slope of PQ is 2. The point Q on the curve. First, what is the question given? The y equal to x square plus 1, that is x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 has a minimum point. The minimum point is at the point what? Which point? P. A point Q also on the curve. P is a point, Q is also a point, but P is a minimum point on the curve. The point Q on the curve is such that the slope of PQ, the slope of PQ is what? 2. Find the area bounded by the curve and the chord PQ. We are going to find the bounded area by the curve and the chord PQ. What is the equation of the given curve? Y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. Equation of the curve is x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. So what slope is coming means what slope is nothing but what m equal to dy by dx. Therefore first we find y dash. Y dash equal to x square is differentiated 2x. 2 into x minus 2. So dy by dx is equal to 0. This implies x minus 2 equal to 0. dy by dx 0 means what is our dy by dx? X minus 2. X minus 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. Therefore slope m equal to 2. Slope m equal to 2. See, this is the last study in the 11th standard also. If a different m equal to 0, slope equal to 0 means what is our m? We easily find out for value of m. So y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. Y dash equal to nothing but what? dy by dx is equal to 2x. 2 into x minus 2. The constant becomes 0. Now dy by dx is equal to 0 implies x minus 2. 2 into x minus 2 equal to 0 means x minus 2 also is 0. That is x is equal to 2. Therefore slope m equal to 2. Another slope, another equation slope is what? M equal to dy by dx. Y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. So y plus 1 become minus 1. Therefore plus 1 become minus 1. X minus 2 the whole square. So y equal to 1. What is it? What are the point? If y minus 1 equal to 0, dy by dx is equal to 0, y minus 1 equal to 0, y equal to 0. X minus 2 whole square, that is 0 means x is equal to nothing but what? 2. Therefore the point h comma k is what? 2 comma 1. M slope m equal to 2. The lies on the point h comma k is 2 comma 1. Again find the second differentiation. After differentiate, so the y double dash. Y double dash is what? See, y dash equal to 2 into x minus 2. Y double dash is what? Suppose y double dash is nothing but what? Y double dash equal to, this is what? 2x. Y dash is what? Y dash is we rewrite as 2x minus 2. The y dash is 2x, 2x, 2 2s are nothing but what? 2x, 2 2s are what? 4. 2x, 2 2s are 4. Now this is y dash. Again differentiate. Second derivative to become what? 2x is differentiated to become 2. Y double dash is 2. The constant term becomes 0. When x is equal to 2, in x value is 2 means x is equal to 2 means y double dash is 2. X is equal to 2. The question x is equal to 2 means y double dash also 2. Second derivative also 2. 2 is what? Greater than 0. This is studied in the 7th chapter, maxima minima. So y double dash equal to 2 greater than or equal to 0. Therefore y has a minimum value. If it is greater than 0 means y has a minimum value at x is equal to 2. That is y equal to 2 minus 2. Instead of x you substitute what? 2. 2 minus 2 the whole square plus 1. We get what? Y equal to 1. If the minimum value x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 means y equal to what is the value? 1. Therefore minimum point is what? 2 comma 1. What is our slope already given? Slope of PQ equal to 2. We find out m equal to 2. We find m equal to 2. That is slope of PQ. Slope of PQ equal to 2. That is m equal to 2. Equation of the PQ. This is the straight line slope equation. Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus means it is nothing but instead of m you substitute what? 2. Y equal to 2x plus c. The above equation passing through the point. What is the point passing through? H comma k. 2 comma 1. Substitute instead of h comma k. Instead of x comma y you substitute 2 and 1. Instead of y substitute 1. See, this is x value. What is this? This is x. This is always first point is x. Second point is what? Y. Now instead of y substitute 1 equal to 2 into 2 plus c. That is what? 1 equal to 4 plus c. C equal to what? 1 minus 4. That is c equal to we get minus 3. So get c equal to equation of the straight line. Equation is we find out. What is our equation of PQ? Equation of PQ is y equal to mx plus c. That is equation of PQ. Equation of PQ. That is the equation of PQ. The straight line y equal to mx plus 3. Instead of m you substitute 2. Instead of c substitute minus 3. Therefore y equal to 2x minus 3. This is the equation 3. Substitute that value 3 in 1. What is the third equation? 3. Substitute what? First equation is what? Y. Comparing the first and the third equation. What is the first equation? The question itself given. Y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. Now instead of y what do you substitute? 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 equal to, if you expand the formula, a minus b the whole square, x square minus 2ab, 2 2s are 4x plus 4 plus 1. Now after we get what? 2x minus 3 equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. If you go to the right hand side, we get a quadratic equation. X square minus 4x plus 2x become minus 2x minus 3 become plus 3, already having plus 5. So what happened? Now we get a quadratic equation. X square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. You take the sum and product. X minus 4 into x minus 2 equal to 0. That is x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 4 means what is our y value? These are simple only. X is equal to 4 means what is the y value? Instead of x, you substitute 4. 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 1. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 2 square is what? 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. We get 1 point. X is equal to 4 means y equal to 5. Again, what is our another one more value? X value. X is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2 means y equal to 2 minus 2 is nothing but what? 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So x is equal to 2 means another point is what? 2 comma 1. Therefore, the point PQ point is what? See the equation of the curve. This is the y equal to x minus 2 the whole square. So if you draw a curve, we get a slope of the point. What are the 2 points we are substituting? Here what is the point? 2 comma 1. Substitute the point 2 comma P point. PQ is the slope of the straight line. We are going to find the area between the straight line as well as the curve. Okay, bounded area. Going to find the bounded area. What is the point P? First point we find out 2 comma 1. Another point is what? 4 comma 5. First you draw a graph. For a parabola you draw it. Curve. Draw the parabola y equal to x square plus and draw a parabola equation. So parabola curve. Afterwards you draw a straight line. Plot the points 2 comma 1 as well as 4 comma 5. So passing through the parabola. This region is what? This is the we are going to find the area of the region bounded between the straight line and the curve. So what is the bounded area? Bounded area is nothing but what? This is P point is what? 2 comma 1. 2 comma another one is what? 4. Take the x value. This is the 2. So bounded area is what? 2 comma 4. We are going to find the bounded area 2 comma 4. We are going to find the integration. Using the integration you find the areas. Area bounded by the curve is area between the line and the curve. Already we see the diagram. Bounded area is area between the line and the curve. So what is that limit? 2 to 4. We go through the using from the diagram. The limit is what? 2 to 4. Bounded region is 2 to 4. See the y-axis. So upper limit minus lower limit. So what is that? Upper limit is what? Straight line equation 2x minus 3. Minus lower limit is what? Equation of the curve. So 2x minus this only we are going to find equation of the curve, because when the curve equation is given itself book itself. So we are going to find the equal straight line. The straight line nothing but the slope. So integral of 2 to 4 2x minus 3 minus x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 into dx. Just afterwards we see the simple integration. Integral of 2 to 4 2x minus 3 just expand a minus b the whole square, x square minus 4x plus 4 already having 1. Next is simplify. Integral of 2x minus 3 minus x square minus into minus plus 4x 4 plus 1 5, that is nothing but what? Minus 5 into dx. Integral of 2 to 4 minus x square plus 4x 4x plus 2x 4x plus 2x nothing but what? 6x minus 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 8. So integral of 2 to 4 minus x square plus 6x minus 8 into dx. Again afterwards we integrate. Minus of x square is integrate x cube by 3 plus 6 into x square by 2 minus 8x. First apply the upper limit, afterwards apply the lower limit. Next apply the lower limit. So what is our upper limit? Minus 4 the whole cube divided by 3 plus 6 into 4 the whole square by 2 minus 8 into 4. This is apply the upper limit. Minus the lower limit is what? Minus what? Minus 2 the whole cube. Already having one minus sign. Minus 2 the whole cube, because instead of x here that minus is outside only. Plus 2 only. So instead of x you substitute minus 2 the whole cube plus 6 into 2 the whole square plus 8 into 2. So what happened? 2 cube is nothing but 8 minus 8. Outside having 1 minus 8, minus into minus become plus. So here what? Minus 4 the whole cube is minus 64 by 3 plus 4 square is what? 16. 16 into 3 is what? 48. 8 4s are 32 minus. This is what? Minus 2 cube. Instead of x what you are substituting? What is our lower limit? X cube by 3. So x cube minus 2 whole cube is what? Minus 8 cube. So here what? 2 cube. 2 cube is what? Minus into minus already plus only. So one more step here having what? Minus 2 cube, already having outside having minus sign. So minus of minus 8 by 3 plus see the simplification 12 minus 16. 8 2s are 16. Next, minus 64 by 3, 48 minus 32 is nothing but what 16, minus 8 by 3, 12 minus 6 is minus 4. See the calculation part. Take all the fractions are taking one side. So minus 64 by 3, minus into minus plus 8 by 3. Here plus 16, this is what minus into minus plus 4. Now minus 64 by 3 plus 16 plus 8 by 3 plus 4. So 16 plus 4 is nothing but what 20. Minus 64 plus 8 by 3 is what minus. See the denominator is same. Subtract the numerator. So minus 64 plus 8 is what minus 56 by 3. So 3 into 20 is what 60. 60 minus 56 divided by 3. 60 minus 56 is nothing but what 4 by 3 square unit. Therefore area bounded by the curve and the chord PQ. This is the curve. Chord is nothing but what straight line. So area bounded by the curve and the chord PQ is 4 by 3 square unit. Students, go through the diagram properly. So the question itself, the curve, equation of the curve is given y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. Now we are going to find the y equal to 2x minus 3. Equation of PQ we are going to find, because the minimum point, what is the question itself given? The minimum point at P, the point Q on the curve such that the slope of the PQ equal to that only given, slope of PQ equal to given y equal to mx plus c. You know the formula y equal to mx plus c. Now we are going to substitute the using the curve and the curve and the given values. We find the equation of the straight line y equal to 2x minus 3. This is nothing but what equation of the chord. Now this is the equation of the chord, the straight line. This is what the curve y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. This region is what area bounded between the line and the curve. The calculation part is very easy for you. Go through the sum properly, draw the diagram. We get the what we get, see that limit also. See this is what the point of intersection is what 4 comma 5 and 2 comma 1. This is what 2, this is what 4. Therefore our integration part is what 2 to 4. The limit is very important. Go through the, if you find the limit properly without missing, the sum is getting proper answer only. So these are all the sums are in exercise number 9.8. all are in 5 mark question, very important sums. Go through properly. Thank you students.